Be honest, how many tabs do you have open right now? Between Slack pings, emails, docs, dashboards, and now a new AI tool every other week. It feels like our workday is pulling us in 15 different directions at once. And all this jumping around, while it may seem harmless, research actually says that we lose almost 40% of our productive time shifting between tasks, just trying to get our brain back on track. That's why having one unified workspace matters. In ClickUp, your tasks, docs, chat, and AI all live together, so you pick up work exactly where you left it, without rebuilding your train of thought from scratch. So in this video, let's break down 5 simple strategies to fix context switching and finally get your focus and your time back. If your work is scattered across 5 different tools, your focus never stands a chance. That's why the first strategy is to centralize your workflow. When you bring everything into one ecosystem, your brain finally gets a break. This is where ClickUp really helps. You're not stitching together 5 tools anymore. You've got tasks, docs, chat, whiteboards, dashboards, all in the same place. And the best part, ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant, sits right where your work already happens. So instead of opening one tool to write, another to summarize, and yet another to extract action items, you just ask ClickUp Brain and dive straight into execution. When your work, knowledge, and AI all live in one place like ClickUp, your brain stops shifting gears every 5 minutes. That's how you reclaim hours without even trying. Now we come to strategy number 2, and this one sounds tiny but changes everything. Adopt single tab working. Let's be honest, the real villain in our productivity story isn't always meetings or messages, it's tab overload. My own browser sometimes looks like a crime scene. I open it and immediately feel guilty. Single tab working fixes that. When you do everything inside one main hub instead of bouncing between apps, your attention narrows, distractions drop, and you enter a flow state much faster. ClickUp makes this super easy with the task views. You can open a task and literally do all your work without leaving that window. Briefs, embedded right inside the task. Docs, they're attached and can be opened in the same tab. Need to jot something down? Instead of random sticky notes, phone notes, or whatever app your fingers accidentally land on, just use ClickUp Notepad. And when you want to discuss something, you don't need to jump into Slack or Teams in another tab. ClickUp Chat keeps conversations right there inside your workflow, not floating in another universe of notifications. And with ClickUp Sync-Ups, you can instantly get on a meeting to discuss work and avoid confusion. One tab, one workspace, one mental context. That's how you stop the attention leak. So now that you've cut the tabs and centralized where work happens, the next step is to cut the repetitive stuff that forces you to keep switching in the first place. This is very important, as a huge chunk of context switching doesn't come from big tasks. It comes from tiny, repetitive bits of busy work. ClickUp lets you automate the tedious parts with ClickUp automations, moving tasks, updating statuses, assigning work, sending reminders, even syncing things to other tools, without you lifting a finger. All those tiny decisions and tiny clicks you normally do, gone, handled automatically. And when it comes to writing the repetitive stuff, task descriptions, acceptance criteria, briefs, summaries, ClickUp Brain handles that too. Honestly, this is where I gained the most time. I didn't realize how much of my day went into these tiny little resets until they magically stopped. Talking about focus, don't you feel you need to protect your time? Like create actual focus blocks where your brain can stay in one lane? Creating deep work rituals is the way to go. A simple trick, chunk similar tasks together. Your mind resets far less when the work type stays the same. ClickUp makes this easy with time blocking. Just drag your tasks straight onto your calendar so focus time is scheduled in. And when you're inside a task, switch on focus mode. It hides the noise, the comments, the subtasks, everything except what you're doing right now. When you build these little rituals into your day, deep work stops being rare. It becomes your default. And finally, strategy number 5, the one that quietly kills the most context switching, aligning your team on one source of truth. If your team shares a single knowledge hub, context stays in one place. No more bouncing around. ClickUp Knowledge Base lets you store all processes, guides, and documentation in one accessible space. Team members can search, reference, or update anything without pinging others or hunting through emails and chat threads. When the team knows exactly where to look, context switching stops being a hidden tax and your brain finally gets a break. So there you have it, 5 strategies to fight context switching and reclaim your focus. Centralize your work, cut the tabs, automate repetitive tasks, protect deep work time, and keep your team aligned in one knowledge hub. All these not only reduce context switching, but they also tackle work sprawl, AI sprawl, and that endless tab overload we all know too well. With ClickUp, your workspace remembers the context so your brain doesn't have to. So if you want to stop juggling tabs, tools, and AI and actually get things done, sign up for free today at ClickUp.com.